How to fix Shein suspended account. So first thing first, I want you to see if you have updated the app or not, because one of the issues may be because you have not updated the app and that's why some kind of bugs is appearing on your Shein app. So I want you to go to your Play Store and look for the update. After looking for the update, just tap on update if any update is available, and that should probably fix your issue. But if that doesn't fix your issue, what you can do is compose an email for Shein. For that, you need to go to Gmail. After going to your Gmail, compose an email from your particular account to, you may just tap this address that I'm showing you right now, service@shein.com. Just tap this account and tap the subject. Type in your suspended account and type in your problems and send it to them. After that, after a few hours or about 24 hours or some days, they should contact you again, and that should help you to fix your Shein suspended account. So therefore, in this way, you can fix your Shein suspended account by following the steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.